Welcome to Tips and Tricks on Breadcrumbs and Tooltips. For more information on our how-to guides, please visit www.sagaciti.co.uk. So we're looking at the RAG matrix here for the first self-assessment, and this is where you can move between the various toolkits that you've got allocated to you. This hover over here shows the breadcrumbs, and you can move to toolkits here and first to self-assessment and up to the RAG matrix where we are, and similarly you could do the same thing from the side menu on the left hand side. You can also navigate to the RAG matrix from the side menu here. For tooltips, simply hover over the blue text on the phrases and words, and you'll get a pop-up with the description or guidance on the phrase concerned. This is exactly the same information that you can find by clicking on the glossary in the side menu, where you'll find a numerical and alphabetical list of all the terms used throughout the Sagaciti Insight Software. But the quickest way to get exactly the same is simply to hover over the tooltip. I hope that's been useful. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks very much indeed.